Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nay. Don't mind my cat. Let's change it. Oh, my little kitty is asleep right here, so don't mind him. Yeah, so welcome back to my channel, guys. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe and say hi in the Today's video is going to be something different, something that I've never done before. We are going to do a favorites video, a monthly favorites. So, alright guys, so don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Click that little bell so that way you can get notified when I post my videos so we can hang out. Alright, comment down below what you want to see next. And yeah, let's get this show on the road. So, let's get started. Yay! So I'm going to start off with hair care because I only have 2 products here. I honestly use these guys all of the time, and honestly this one has nothing left in it. And this is the Not Your Mother's, the Beach Babe texturizing dry shampoo. Yes, this is my favorite. It smells like toasted coconuts. You will go crazy if you like that kind of smell. Yeah, so this is my favorite. I also have the Clean Freak one that like lives in my bathroom, so this is the one that I have in my room. The other one is in the bathroom, so like I'm kind of covered wherever I go. But yeah, so that is the first product. This is always like, I need to go get more. Next product is this Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curling Enhancing Smoothie with Silk Protein and Neem Oil. It is to moisturize and curl define thick and curly hair. And if you have seen my natural hair, then you know what I am talking about. It is crazy. It is like psh, ginormous, like it's ridiculous. So yeah, I was thinking that maybe I should do like a hair tutorial for when I keep my hair natural, because I know that when I go out places and my hair is natural, everyone is like, oh my god, your hair, and I'm just like, oh my god, it's frizzy. But yeah, so this is not natural. This is like straightened the other day, curled yesterday. So my natural hair is very textured, very wavy, very, very crazy, and I love this. It smells great, and let me see, I just want to smell it right now. It smells so good. Yeah, so I love putting this in my hair. It literally does feel like a smoothie. It feels like kind of like putting conditioner in your hair or like lotion. That sounds really weird, but it definitely hydrates my hair, and it's very textured, and my hair is very dry, so this definitely helps it out. So this is always like, I love it. They also have like a curl define gel, I believe, and when you use ooh, what? And when you use those 2 products together, my hair is like phenomenal. But I ran out of the other stuff, so I have to go get it. But yeah, so love this stuff. Actually having a lot of skin troubles, which is pretty rare for me, but I was stressing out a lot, and there's just been a lot going on in my life. But yeah, so I know I was stressing pretty hard, so you know, blemishes were coming up, and that's okay. We got them out of the way, and now we're moving on to bigger and better things. Okay, can you even see it? This Formula 10.06, and it's the this is such a tongue twister. Oh my gosh, I didn't even think about this. Okay, this is the Bee Berry Balanced Nourishing Spray Toner with grape and vitamin B3. It's alcohol free. Honestly, it says it's a toner. I've been using this as a setting spray, which is really weird, but I've liked it. It's been really great, so I've continued to use this. See, like it like gives my skin like dewiness and like some luminosity, so like I'm digging it. Like, yes, baby. The other product is also by the same brand, the Formula 10.06, and this is the So Totally Clean Deep Pore Cleanser. It's the acne treatment. I know there's like literally nothing left, but I've been using this because, like I said, I was having some skin issues, and I just put this like on a little Q-tip or a cotton ball on my troubled areas, like after I would wash my face and before I'd put moisturizer on, and this did a really good job about clearing my skin up. I mean, I do still have some like blemishes here and there, but I mean, like, for the most part, I love this guy. Will I get it again? Definitely. I actually need to go purchase both of these at Ulta very, very soon. And I just ran out of my eyebrow pencil, so definitely that's a must. Oh my god, we definitely have to do that today. So, the next product is this Freeze 24/7 Anti-Aging Eye Serum. It is actually pretty expensive, not gonna lie. It's like $50-something for this little tube of eye cream. But this came in a BoxyCharm, and I gave it a go, and honestly, I love it. My eyeballs love it. Like, I use it before I put moisturizer most of the time, and then I just put it, like, you know, under my eyes and on top of my eye, and I noticed that it like tightens the skin around my eyes, so I feel like it's helping in those like little areas where I crease and get a little bit wrinkly. So I'm very much digging it and sticking to that regimen. This is the Clarks Botanicals Retinol Rescue Overnight Cream, and this is what I have been putting on my face during the evening when I am going to sleep. Like, it literally is just like a little cream. I have been putting that on my face before I go to sleep, and I've noticed like my skin texture looks more supple, and like I look very like what's the word? I look very like fresh-faced in the morning, and I like that. So I've been, you know, working that on into my skincare routine as well. There was like construction earlier, so I had to wait to film until now, and now the dog's barking, and I don't want to yell. The next product is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. I've been using this, you know, on the days that I want to wear masks, and I kind of switch it up with the masks. But this guy I will like put like on my little troubled spots, so, you know, I kind of break out here and then sometimes near my nose. So like if I have 10 minutes to spare, I'll just like, you know, put it like wherever I need to put it, just real quick, and then wash my face and get the show on the road. But yeah, I really like this. I feel like it does make a difference. Like, I always like tend to put it on the more textured areas of my face, or the areas that I'm having trouble with, and it's noticeably different after I take the mask off. It looks more smooth, so I definitely feel like it's doing something. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick with it, and hopefully like my skin keeps moving forward. That's all we can ask for, right? Let's go ahead and do the makeup products, because we don't need this video to be forever. Like, nobody wants that. Okay, so Carlos actually got this for me right after my surgery, just because like literally my back has been so thrown off. I still can't move this arm past my shoulder, so you know that's coming pretty soon. But because of that, literally, like, my entire back is just sore, like, sore from surgery, like, you will not believe. So, Carlos got this for me, and it's literally made the world of difference. Every time somebody comes over and they're like, oh, my shoulder hurts, or, oh, my knee hurts, I'm like, dude, put this on. It's freaking amazing. So, this is the Pina Cocana. It is the brand High Gorgeous, and it's the medical cannabis body butter. It doesn't get you high or anything like that. It literally just, like, makes your body feel so good. It like is soothing, it loosens up your muscles. Anyways, like it's amazing. The healing properties are phenomenal, so I definitely highly recommend that. And yes, so with that being said, we're gonna move on to the next product that I've been using. This is the Pure Sculptor palette. I got this in my BoxyCharm, and it has two like what is it? It has two like contour shades and two highlights. So I'm actually going to be using both of these highlights right now. Originator and Trailblazer. I actually have those on my cheeks right now, which it's a really nice glow. I do have to say that. It's not too much, not too over the top. Definitely every day. I could definitely do it. So yeah, let's just go ahead and pop both of them onto my inner corners. Wow, what a world of difference, Nadine. God, you're so smart. That's why you should think of things before you do them. World of difference. Okay, anyways, yes, I've been using this all month. I actually am using it. I used it to contour my cheeks today, which is not too much. I feel like I always get washed out on camera because I think that my contour is a little bit deeper in person, but that's okay. I'm not going to mess with that just because, like, maybe it's a lighting issue. Maybe we don't know what we're doing. We're trying, okay? We're gonna get there. All right. Next product is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. Okay, I have to, like, remember to not, like, do crazy things with this arm, even though I want to. I'm still not released yet, salts. All right, let's do blush. So the two blushes that I have been obsessing over recently this past month is been the Pretty Vulgar Make 'em Blush Hush Blush. Oh. It's the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush in the shade Hush Blush. Anyways, this is gorgeous. I freaking love it. I've been wearing this mixed with one of my other favorites, which is the Tarte Amazonian Clay in Feisty. So I literally mix them both together and it creates, like, the most perfect shade. I love them. They're very similar. They're very similar, but, like, yeah. So I mix them together, and that's actually what I'm wearing on my cheeks. Both of these guys right now, they're very... Go ahead and throw this guy in there, which is my favorite, which is very dirty and the most used highlighter that I own. This is Rodeo Drive by Ofra. Look at that. It is stunning. Actually, let's just pop a little. Yes, honey. The difference that makes. Okay. So yeah, this is one of my favorite highlighters. I love it. I use it all the time. My most used highlighter. And if I'm not using that, I tend to use this Wet n Wild. Don't sleep on Wet n Wild either, because they actually have some pretty bomb products. Don't sleep on the drugstore. The drugstore has some pretty bomb products. I love a lot of drugstore products. But this is the Wet n Wild highlighting powder in Crown of My Canopy. This is one of my favorite shades. I have a lot of them, but I reach for that one all the time. Alright, so for lashes, what I'm wearing as mascara right now, and my favorite mascara as of right now, this is the Double Decker Lashes by Butter London. Holy crap, these make my eyelashes stick out so much, give them so much length, so much volume. They look gorgeous after like 2 coats and freaking curling my eyelashes. Yes, like, I love this. Will I get it again? Heck yes, over and over again. Alright, and then so last for eyes is going to be this Pretty Vulgar The Ink in Blacklist, and it is... eyeliner is phenomenal, okay? Like, first of all, this packaging, how stinking cute, okay? Like, it reminds me of, like, back in the day when you needed to, like, write hardcore calligraphy and be, like, oh, like a feather and just, like, you know, do my eyeliner and just, I feel so, like, glamorous and so, like, feminine with this, so I love it. I actually used it as eyeliner today with the little brush, so it's very black. I like this. I've even, like, I always test things on my hands, because, you know, your hands touch everything. So, like, when I get a new makeup product, I'll put it on my hand, and sometimes I'll see how long it lasts throughout the day. And this thing, like, lasted throughout everything. I had to scrub it off in the shower at the end. So, yes, I love, love, love this, and I'll be And then so last but not least is lips. So I have just 2 products really. Is the lip color that I'm wearing right now, which is the ColourPop Ultra Matte in Creeper, which is one of my OG faves. Love it. And this is the Girl Lactic Beauty Matte Lip Paint in Posh. This is what I use for like a more natural glam day. But I'm more of like a chapstick girl on the day-to-day, so you know. So I've been thinking long and hard, and we're gonna have another giveaway. I'm not gonna give you any hints yet, but just know that there's a ton more coming your way. I'm kind of like plotting and thinking things out, but yeah, so there's a lot more coming up, so keep your eye out because I will be announcing a giveaway pretty soon, maybe in the next video. Yeah, so give this video a thumbs up if you like giveaways, because we're going to be having a lot more. And also, leave a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite beauty product was in the month of May. And, you know, let's talk all things beauty. Yeah, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that little notification bell to be part of the Peace Posse. And we will see you in the next video. Alright? See you later, alligator. Bye!